Yeah, here we are. This stuff right here. A little cracked up. If they put a little bit of water on it, it'd be really nice.
Yeah, I don't see a water truck anywhere.
But if it's dry, it'll be more like Queon was. Queon was nice clay, but it had a little bit of moisture underneath though. So we'll see what this is like.
Alrighty, here we go. The always creative tractor, 466 cubic inches. And Andrew Shuckman, bring her up and let her go. In front right now with 270 feet, and here we go. Oh, that was a good pull, and it took a lot of patience. One more time, standard transmission on this truck.
Okay, so we are at the Navan Fair. I have done my first pass. Bit of a letdown, to be honest. The track last year was absolutely fantastic. Like, you couldn't have asked for anything better. Pure clay. They just scraped off the grass from the top, and then it was just beautiful. Now, last year it was a mud fest everywhere else at the fairgrounds, but the track was amazing, and as it dried up throughout the day, it got just better and better. Today, not so good. Fortunately, it's just really dry, and it looks like they put stone dust on top. A lot of fairs are going and doing that. I understand, because stone dust won't break your stuff. So when stock trucks come, they won't break. And you know, you can do other things on stone dust. You can run horses around on stone dust. You just do other things on stone dust. Where on a clay track, you know, beautiful for the modified trucks and stuff, but not so good for the stock things. So, in any case, it was super slippery. Instantly, it went to 7,300, just like instantaneously. And yeah, checked the spark plug, added the degree. We asked the preemptively added a degree of timing, and now we didn't lift the front wheel, so we're adding more weight to the back. I mean, this is a ton of weight on the ground. So I mean, it's ridiculous. It's like a pull truck except in reverse. Like, it's so much weight, and it's got to be 2,000 pounds, maybe not near it, at least, just in weights on the back of the tractor. So a lot of weight, and we're gonna go back out and do another test pass. This also did not end up being a club pull. This is just a test and tune event. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but still, great to be out here at Navan. Have a great time, and hopefully this next pass we'll get the front wheels to be just a little bit lighter, more traction come down, and we'll actually be able to use some of this engine.
Alrighty, Andrew Chartrand of the Always Creative modified single engine tractor. We'll see where he comes down this time.
Hey, sir.
Engine didn't break, it was the drive shaft that broke. They knew they were at the limit of what the drive shaft could take. They were running an engine that made 320 horsepower last year. They now have an engine that's making well over 700, so more than double the power. But when you lock the torque, the drive shaft takes all the brunt of the load.